If you don't use gravity to your advantage, this is about gravity, you're gonna be completely total dead weight. Gravity will always win. Hi, this is Cheryl Ale. I am the founding director of RPM, Revolutionary Principles of Movement. I'm here teaching you, the dancers and the teachers, to be the best that you can be. This is, after all, ballet for everybody. This is what we do. I'm going to show you how to use gravity to make you a fabulous dancer, because when you work with it, that's a lot of power. If you follow me, I will reveal the secrets. Gravity is your friend, believe it or not. I am here with Iran, principal dancer of Ballet Palm Beach, and he is going to show us how he masters gravity. It's his best friend. He actually defies it. I think you defy gravity. We shall see. So I'm going to just break this down a little bit with Newton's theory. With every action, there's an equal and opposite. That's right, reaction. So what we're going to do is, instead of, one doesn't just drop a ball to bounce it, right? Because that's about what would happen if you did no breath and nothing. If you thought it was down to go up, okay, I'm going to jump, and you think it's about the plie. If you think it's about the plie, that's down to go up to go down. So down to go up to go down does that. Up to go down to go up is the piece, the highest level in your body. So the higher up you go, like a rocket that is being fueled, you know, the thrust of a rocket as it pushes off at Kennedy Center, the harder it pushes down, the higher it goes into the universe, right? So, and it keeps going up. And because of that push, gravity then continues to push the rocket further up, the higher it reaches, and pushes down, the higher it goes. So here we are going to have Iran do his entre-chassis. Okay, please do, Iran. Now you see how high he is in his body. Very high, not even a very deep. Lovely. If this is your first time to the channel, we would love if you subscribed. This channel is all about helping you dance better, walk better, and not trip and fall when you walk out the door. Anyway, again, hit that subscribe button right here and see you next time.